Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing y'all one of my favorite big hair type of styles that I absolutely love using African Pride's Moisture Miracle collection. I was starting off with an old twist out, and to help alleviate some of the dryness and help detangle, I went in first with the aloe and coconut water pre-shampoo, and let me tell you, I love the consistency of it. It glided so smoothly on my hair, and you can definitely tell it has some amazing moisturizing properties. As the name says, it has aloe and coconut water in it, and these two help to condition, protect, and remove tangles so that the cleansing portion of wash day is a breeze. To cleanse my hair, I use the honey and coconut oil shampoo. It deeply penetrates and hydrates the hair without stripping, and as you can see, I have no issue with shampooing my entire head and not just the roots. My roots aren't the only thing that gets dirty, so for me and my hair, it's important to shampoo it all. A little definitely goes a long way with this shampoo. It suds up amazingly, but definitely doesn't leave my hair stripped or dry. Following up with the honey, chocolate, and coconut oil Nourish and Restore conditioner. I've never had a product with chocolate anything in it, and I love me some chocolate, okay? So I was excited to try this. It has honey and coconut oil for hydration purposes and the chocolate for restorative benefits. Now, during the winter, I usually like to deep condition every wash day, but that conditioner was so amazing and moisturizing and even helped to define my coils a bit. So deep conditioning definitely wasn't missed this wash day. Before styling, I use the coconut milk and honey leave-in spray. It replenishes moisture and adds shine and softens the hair. Next up, because it's winter and my scalp gets all kinds of dry with cold weather, I wanted to oil my scalp, and I used the 5 Essentials oil to do that. It has castor oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, coconut oil, olive oil, and vitamin E in it. I loved this oil for my scalp as well as for sealing my hair. It helps to protect against breakage and promotes natural hair growth. I love thick butters and creams for my hair, so I love the shea butter and flaxseed oil curling cream. It provides moisture, definition, and shine, and it has a soft hold to it. As you saw, I applied the cream to an entire section instead of each individual twist section. I did that because the cream is really thick and moisturizing, and I didn't want to overdo it and weigh my hair down. After applying the cream, I followed it up with sealing all that good moisture in with the 5 Essentials oil, and then I proceeded to style, where I just twisted up a section, and then when I was done twisting the section, I went in with a perm rod and I rolled it all the way up to my scalp, nice and tight. And after setting my hair, I sat under a hooded dryer for about an hour and a half, and I was ready to take it down. And all I did was take the perm rods out, undo the twist, and separate my hair and fluff. And that's it. Super quick, super easy, and super moisturized hair. Overall, I love this collection. From beginning to end, my hair felt moisturized and everything smelled amazing. you want to give these products a try, they're available at your local Walgreens. And if you try this super easy yet cute style, I hope you love it. Be sure to follow African Pride on their socials as well, and I will see you in my next video.